Hello, my dears, and welcome to Holiday for the Heart. My name is Sally, and I'm your heart coach. I'm so excited to have you here, and if you feel the journey to dive deeper into your heart, into your emotions, I'm happy to get to know you better. Seeing your unseen wounds who are inside of you, if you feel overwhelmed, sometimes or you don't know what to do, how to handle your emotions, then I'm there to support you, to guide you, to really get your inner strength, to feel your emotions, to allow yourself and also choose how you want to express yourself. So if you feel right now is the time to really get strength inside of your body, emotional power, and that you are really confident in talking about your emotions. Are you ready to dive deeper? Open your heart to wonder.